Hey guys, let me show you how to change volume button functions in the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's open camera on the phone and click on this settings icon on the top of the screen. Here scroll till you see shooting methods tab and click it. Now you can click right here, press volume buttons 2 and select any option you like, for example zoom in or out. So let's go back in the camera and test this function. So now you can zoom the picture in by clicking volume up button and zoom out by clicking volume down button. Great, now let's change it to another one. So as before, go in shooting methods, then right here and select take picture or record video. And now if you're in a photo mode, then with the help of volume up or volume down button you will be able to take a photo. Let's do it. And by volume down button as well. If you're in a video mode, then by clicking one of these buttons you will start to record a video. Just like this. Let's go back in the settings in the shooting methods and choose control sound volume. And now you will be able to control the volume by clicking this volume up or volume down buttons. And that's all. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.